Hey everybody, Mariah Gates here with Accelerated Automation. I'm excited to share this amazing tool with you called Loom.com. If you haven't heard of Loom.com before, it is a really great video creation software, and I highly recommend it for insurance agents for several reasons. But the really biggest reason is to allow you to easily and quickly create training videos for your agency. When I first started to work on scaling my own insurance agency, I needed a way to easily record the steps and processes that I was following in my business to make it easy to train others. We all know how difficult it is when your entire training process is manual, when somebody has to sit with you and watch you do the work each day. It can take a very long time for them to stumble upon some of these daily activities. As we know, in an insurance agency, every day is different. So what you can do to make your training process much simpler is use Loom.com to simply capture your screen. I'm actually using Loom.com to create this video right now. So this is a feature where I'm able to show my screen, and through that I can click on different areas of the website in front of me, and I can click through and it's going to highlight and be able to actually take video, and I can explain the steps. There's some really cool pieces with this. There is even Loom AI, which will transcribe your entire video, and then you can use Loom AI to create standard operating procedure documents, Q&As, really a lot. Now, right now am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with Loom. I hope one day I can be, but I can tell you I've been using this tool in my business for over 5 years now. I was using it in my insurance agency, and we use it extensively here at Accelerated Automation. It's a great solution. It has, it's very affordable, easy to use. Let me show you the pricing. You can see on here per user, if you just need it for yourself as the agency owner to create these training and instructional videos, $20 a month. I will tell you, at least in my opinion, $20 a month so I don't have to repeat myself 15 times in a month over a procedure in my agency. This is well worth it. Of course, the more efficient your operation can run, the more you can focus on serving your clients, growing your business, and retaining your customers and adding value to their experience with your business. So I highly recommend you look at Loom. Amazing features and benefits here, very affordable, and they're always innovating and changing their solutions. They're even now offering, you can see under here, some screenshot services, which is really great. And you can take these videos, you can download them, you can edit them in your favorite editing softwares, or you can just grab the link and throw it directly into your company employee portal or intranet to create a training workflow for your staff. So also what I used it in my business for, and we use it today, is to be able to answer questions. If there is a question asked by a staff member and we are not able to physically show them the answer, which of course is becoming more and more of a problem in our ever growing remote work environments, you can use Loom. So you can simply record yourself, again, answering the question, clicking around on carrier websites or in raters or wherever you need to go, whatever resources you need to show them how that works, and you'll be able to capture it, send it to them, they can watch it, and you can add it to your FAQ or video library. So again, you don't have to repeat yourself. Highly recommend Loom.com. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe for more tips on different software that you can implement in your agency, and of course, Agency Zoom training videos. Thank you.